Finish? Where you going? Is anybody ready to dry yet?
I am.
Dry it. Here. Take this and dry it. Here, take it, dry it off. Good job, Jaden. Good job, Jaden. Good job, Caleb. Yes, sir.
I'm scrubbing all around.
Scrub all around. That's excellent. That's excellent.
And scrub your door.
Yep. Hey, Jacob, start at your hood. Start at the hood.
And clean your.
Yep. And
Not.
then when you do after you finish the hood, go down one side, then go down the other one. No, finish the hood first. Do the complete hood and grill first. Yeah, that's the hood first though. Do the whole hood first. There you go. There you go. Do the whole hood so you see no more soap. All right, look at the top up there by your window. Get all that. See that? Yeah. Yeah.
Now these. What are these, Daddy?
Those are that's your side panel.
Where's your side place?
All right, right there where you stand. Just do the whole side. Yeah, that's your door. Anybody doing the wheels today? Everybody gonna shine up your rims today?
I'm gonna shine my wheels.
Shine your rims up today. Lord have mercy. That's hilarious. Don't clean the whole wheel, buddy. Just clean the wheel. Yeah, the walls. Yeah, and the rim. There you go. The rim. Ooh, shiny. Look at you.
Mine is
3 the Hard Way Detail Shop.